If you're wondering how to convert Word to PDF, then this video will save your day. Converting doc to PDF will allow you to share the document to virtually anyone without any loss of content or formatting. In this tutorial, we go through the process of turning Word documents to PDFs. With PDF Candy, you can accomplish this in no time. Let's get started. First, visit pdfcandy.com. Here you'll see a ton of handy tools. In this video, we are specifically working with the Word to PDF one. Step 2 is pretty simple. When you're ready, find and click the Word to PDF icon to proceed to the relevant tool of the website. Now, drag and drop your Word file into the designated area. PDF Candy's Word to PDF tool supports a variety of document formats, including Doc, DOCX, ODT, and RTF. The conversion process starts automatically and will be done in no time. When it's complete, don't download the file right away. We have a few more options to look over. Click the 3 dots icon to reveal a list of additional options, including the ability to compress, edit, split, merge, rearrange pages, add a watermark, and password protect your PDF. Pick the tool to continue working with your newly created PDF file. We hope you found this video helpful, simple, and easy to follow, just like the PDF Candy website. We've made this service to be intuitive and quick in use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you later.